Now, your Alaska Link weather for Fairbanks and the interior.
The snowfall has made its return across the interiors, even into the North Slope, as we see here. Toolik Lake noting some of those snow showers as well. Now, we are noting, though, the local region is underneath a winter weather advisory, as we are seeing that there are some slowdowns on the roadways as snowfall accumulation is going to be at its highest here into the early week, as we've been seeing those amounts already adding up here throughout our Monday. And we will see that we're going to note that the impacts could even last through about Thursday, as that's how long that winter weather advisory is in place here. As we are noting that periods of snow showers will be in place. We even have some mix at times, as well as breezy conditions, as we'll see that there is an uptick in the wind here into our Tuesday and Wednesday, which has some concerns of being able to pick up some of the snowfall and create reduced visibility. Where that snowfall is a little bit on the wetter side, may not be able to create blowing snow, but that wind moving over wet surfaces then can lead to some slippery spots. So wind's going to really continue to factor in to there being some difficult to even dangerous travel conditions. And then by the end of the week into our Friday forecast is where we will see some improvements. So what we have here for our Tuesday is that we are noting that the morning hours there is going to be areas of some difficult travels. There's a real big uptick in some heavier snowfall here into at least the mid-morning. By the afternoon, we also see that in the Fairbanks area, temperatures do try to creep above that freezing mark, which will allow for more of that wetter snowfall or even a changeover to a rain shower or two. So that then can create some of those slippery conditions. We also have times of those strong winds, noting at least in the Fairbanks area, upwards of 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts. We see that wind even noted there in Nenana, Chena Hot Springs also at some 30 mile per hour wind gusts. So note that it's going to be a breezier Tuesday as well as Wednesday is going to have similar wind gusts, and this is going to be paired up with the snow showers. Heavy snowfall accumulation is occurring into Tuesday morning, where we have an uptick in that accumulation for especially the local areas and in our valley spots. Some of those valley spots, again, if temperatures can get warm enough, there will be some mix over in those afternoon hours. So note that that can also feed into some slippery roadways. And again, we see just periods of pickup of those snow showers. There's some breaks that will be possible, but don't let your guard down. Maybe take that break to do some pickup in that snowfall, but then another round is going to move through. We see that much of the region that is falling underneath some of those winter headlines. We have a range of anywhere from about 3 inches to even seeing some of our especially higher elevation points getting upwards of 12 inches. So enough, again, with it continuing to coat the roadways and there being breaks, that it is going to lead to slow down some difficult travel and several times of some pickup that will need to be made through Thursday morning. 13 hours and 40 minutes of daylight here. 7:04 is our sunrise, 8:44 is at sunset. Temperature wise, we're really going to continue temperatures just hovering around the 30s as we are underneath this event. We'll note that this, again, event sticks around at least through our Thursday, and then we have some quieter weather ahead.